Another year, another adventure, and I'm back where my heart feels the most alive, in the mountains. और इस बार मुनस्यारी में, a beautiful offbeat unexplored quaint town in Uttarakhand. And we are here at the Khalia top. What makes this journey even more special is having my wife by my side. Her first Himalayan trek. But before this, there was a different kind of adventure waiting for us, Rishikesh. They say, in the midst of chaos, you can sometimes hear the loudest silence. And that's exactly what Rishikesh felt like. A calm that echoes within. And with all the love and blessings from the Mahadev, it was time to head to the mountains. Once again in the mountains, the peace, the serenity, the calmness, and of course the Himalayan mountains. That's why I'm here for. सब रिलेट नहीं कर पाएंगे, बट जो वाइट माउंटेन्स देख के सब भूल जाता हूँ मैं. It was very hard for Sneha to walk because it's the first time for her. She has some breathing issues, but she did it. Like 4 hours we were here, and she was happy to stay down at the base camp. And she said you can go up and watch the 0 point. She is that person. She'll say कि नीचे से भी वही व्यू दिख रहा है, ऊपर से भी वही व्यू दिख रहा है, तो ऊपर क्यों जाना है. बट मेरा अलग है, या किसी किसी का अलग होता है. लाइक है कुछ चीज़ें जो ऊपर जाके ही समझती है, रिलेट कर पाते हैं, और स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन बनता है विद मदर नेचर एंड द हिमालयन माउंटेन्स. It's a moderate trek. 3 hours is enough to reach here. Previous trek I had been to Rupin Pass, so it was like we were walking for 10 hours continuous. So that was a extreme and a different experience. But this is also very beautiful. And the climate is clearing up now, and I can finally see the peaks. This feeling when the clouds clear up and you see the peaks, it's unreal. But I really get very less time to spend in the mountains. Like people I've met here, they come for a week, they come for a month, they stay in the mountains. Slow life, but a very beautiful life. Here you have like sunlight, and here it's full gloomy, cloudy. 2 parts of life, like you can relate. कहीं धूप, कहीं छाव है. Hello buddy, hello. Trekkers are coming up slowly and steadily because it's all worth it at the 0 point.
अभी बस थोड़ा सा व्यू का हो गया, सामने बादल आ गया ना.
बादल पूरा बादल आ गया. Somewhere up there, behind those clouds, that's 0 point. such a steep incline, and I think there is 0 point. भैया फुल स्टाइल में 0 पॉइंट पे. आई थिंक 0 पॉइंट का मतलब है लाइक देर इज नो वे अहेड. दैट्स वाई 0 पॉइंट बोला गया है. सो दिस इज खलिया टॉप 0 पॉइंट. फैंटास्टिक एक्सपीरियंस, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल ट्रेल, beautiful trek. To sum this up, like my experience of Khaliya Top 0 point is like pin drop silence.